very Merry Christmas Eve. We're talking about shopping and gifting, and a recent survey just revealed that about 42% of Americans plan to re-gift this holiday season. But is it rude to re-gift? We're going to find out. Joining us this morning is etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Good to see you again.
Glad to be here.
It's been a minute, but I love talking about manners and etiquette with you. We have so much to talk about. So, Merry Christmas Eve.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you, too.
I think that it's okay to re-gift. What do you think?
Re-gifting is absolutely acceptable. The key is you have to make sure that you do it right. Okay. That's the thing. Yes.
All right. What are the rules?
So some of the rules around re-gifting is to make sure that you do not re-gift within the same circle of people. So let's say, for example, a coworker gives you a gift. Don't re-gift it to a coworker. Instead, re-gift it into your friend group or your family group. That's one thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also, you want to make sure that you're re-gifting items that are actually usable, something that has never been used and is still in its original packaging as well.
Okay.
So, you might pop something open, but if you close it, that's okay. Just don't rip up the box or what have you.
What would you say, for an example for me is I have re-gifted, and I actually thought it was a really great thing. All of us girls love this one candle from Anthropology, and so we always get it. Well, if you have 4 of them sitting around, then it's fine to get the one and then say, this is a beautiful candle, we're all going to love it, and it's a great gift.
Well,
is that a good idea?
Within your whole same group of friends?
No, I re-gifted it somewhere else, to like my mom or a sister.
You are spot on, because it's something that you enjoy, and that's the thing about it. You want to make sure that it's something that you would enjoy, but maybe it's not the right color or the right scent. Maybe you say, you know what, I'm not really into vanilla, but I know someone who is, and that's the thing. It's all about the other person and how they're going to receive it.
Right, and if it's going to take you all that time to return something, and you know someone else who will love it just as much,
absolutely,
then they're going to get something great.
We're putting the gifts to use, and we're not wasting, and that's the key that we want to look at, is not wasting things.
What about thrifting? So a lot of people are trying to be more environmental now, and they're saying, okay, well, I actually got this gift from a thrift shop. Is that okay to gift, or is that kind of strange?
No, thrifting is phenomenal, especially if you know how to do it right. You can find some really great finds in thrift shops and consignment stores. So my recommendation is to look for what's going to please the other person. That's the thing that you want to think about, not just grab any old thing.
Yeah, and I think too there's a bit of an art to being a good gift giver, because some people, sometimes like myself, we get busy and then we say, all right, well, this will work for anybody, and you kind of put something together and you give a gift because you were in a pinch. But then when you get that meaningful gift, it makes you think, right? It makes you think for a second, okay, I've got to sit down, take a step back, pause, and then really think about the person that I'm giving a gift to.
And this is what makes the perfect gift giver. The perfect gift giver is the individual who makes a selection based upon what the recipient would enjoy. So don't just think, I want this person to have this. Instead think, will this person enjoy this gift? And if so, then you'll be spot on.
Yeah. Is there a secret? Any secrets that you would recommend?
The secret is to go on what I love to call a reconnaissance mission. So go to people's social media pages, listen when they're talking. People will let you know exactly what they love, what they like. So go on that reconnaissance mission, and you'll land in that space of giving out the perfect gift.
Especially with your circle of friends, or even that larger circle. I guarantee you there was a time that someone said, "Ooh, I love those earrings you're wearing."
Yes.
And you're like, well, and perfect gift.
Yeah, you take that down, you put that down as a note, or you see somebody standing up in a photo and they're pointing at something or whatever it is, and you go, oh, this person hangs out at this restaurant all the time. Let me get them a gift card for there, or whatever it is. You can look around. People will tell you what they enjoy.
I love that. That's such a good idea. Okay, you just opened a line of home goods or at home. Tell me about this.
Oh my goodness. So I just launched Elaine Swann Home, which is a collection of items that you can use for entertaining. I mean, this is the holiday season, whether we're right now or going into the new year.
Look at you.
Yes, beautiful things. It's so great. The thing is, these are items that you can either gift, you can give it to a hostess, or either you can use for yourself.
Elaine, I'm having such a proud friend moment. I'm like, oh my gosh, you might make me tear up. I'm so excited for you.
Yes,
I mean, we've just known each other for so long, so to see something like this come to fruition is so beautiful.
I've been working on it for years. I've partnered with a company called Courtside Market, and we developed these items and these products, and they are available on sale now.
That's so cool. And I hear that Santa might have a few surprises up his sleeve.
He does. You know, the thing about it, all we have to do is kind of wish a little bit. And as we kind of think about gifts, this is where you go, okay, you know what? I want a gift for someone, and I'm thinking about it. So So go ahead, hand this to Heather.
I know you're anxious. It's not bad etiquette to open one now, is it?
Open now. Open.
You know, I always do the Christmas Eve gift.
Yeah, the
okay,
Christmas
so
Eve
that's
is great. So
cool.
this is your Christmas Eve gift. Now here's the thing. I'm going to give you a choice to choose, honey. So go ahead, open that one up. Let's see what we got. Okay, so if you want to do a little bit, yep,
what is this?
Okay, so this is by Chef and Fresh. It's really great. It's an onion. Yes,
Genius.
it's huge. Okay, you just hold it over your pot.
But you get your potatoes too, right?
You can do potatoes, cucumbers, zucchinis, even
that's
small
a good
potatoes.
one.
Okay,
That's
now
a
try
good one.
this one. Okay.
Thanks, Anna.
We feel like we're on a game show, right? Okay,
I know. It's like surprise.
Okay, so this is for the wine lover. Yes, Okay, very good. So this is
really good
why
one.
grab it. It's phenomenal because it's electronic. You can see the cork lift inside. It's 3, and you can peel the.
Can I tell you
foil.
something?
Which one do you want?
Do you know? Did you spy on me? I had one of these that broke, and I need a new one.
You need it,
and I love it. It's like my favorite
Christmas.
thing. Really?
This is yours,
Elaine.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you so much. Look at Santa bringing the wine openers. Santa, you guys know me.
Fantastic. Very good. You know.
Elaine, very Merry Christmas. We'll be looking for your new stuff and your new home goods. That's so cool. We put the information up on fox5sandiego.com to check out that product line. All you have to do is click on the Scene On tab. We'll be right back.